Hey boaters, we have a 2026 Barletta Lusso 23 UC here with Mercury 250 V6 and the rear lounger set up in a nice linen interior. This boat is beautiful. Exterior is all black. Co-captain, captain seat. I love everything about the Lusso's helm with their lighting all in their dash. You have a nice big Simrad screen here, an additional one right on the side, so you can see motor switches, your electronics. Here's your RGB controls right here. Digital throttle, your battery switch conveniently located right here as well, so you can turn the boat on and off. Your power bimini switch, rated for 14 people. And in the front, have the table already installed. Love that they have armrests, making this a very comfortable boat. Again, we just got this Lusso at MarineMax Nisswa, so come check it out and see it today.